Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about how to be the best passenger, flight attendant edition. So let's get straight into the video. Address us by our name. You see the little name badge that we have over here? Yeah, that's for a reason. I've been in many situations where people have either snapped fingers at me or called me as shh or waiter or trolley pusher. Trust me, that's really disrespectful, so you don't want to do that. Don't hold up the line. If you see that there are 100 people waiting behind you, but you still decide to stand in the middle of the aisle and open your little Pandora's box over there, trust me, that's extremely frustrating as we flight attendants have very limited time to board and also to do our ground services. Don't do that. Standing up before the plane has fully stopped. I don't understand what is it that you achieve by doing this or if it gives you a sense of adventure, but trust me, it's extremely frustrating for flight attendants to see you do that, as this poses a huge safety risk not only to yourself but to the passengers around you. Don't do that. Keep your bag where you're supposed to. When you get on board and you decide to keep your bag all the way at the front when you're seated all the way at the back, this creates a huge problem for us as the person seated over there now has no space to keep their bag and we have an unidentified bag over there. Why do you do that? Seat changes. We really want you to have the most comfortable experience possible. However, during boarding we are extremely busy and we aren't entirely sure about which seats are available. So please don't just get on board and ask us for a seat change. Give us some time, let us get everyone settled and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Pro tip, you can always book your seat preference online like how normal people do. If you can't carry it, we can't either. It really surprises me how you can manage to pack your bag, get it all the way from home, put it in the cab, get it all the way through security, through the airport, but all of a sudden when you come on board, you can't lift it. We flight attendants aren't really supposed to be lifting your bags, however we do it out of courtesy. Pro tip, just pack lighter. Meal choices. Now this is important. If you have specific dietary requirements, please ensure that you book your preferred meal choice before you get on board. As good as our cooking skills are, we can't really prepare a meal for you while at 30,000 feet in the air. Fun fact, many times flight attendants tend to give up their own meal to meet your specific requirements. Also, this is something that every flight attendant has done at least once. So if your meal choice appears just out of nowhere, chances are they've probably given you their own meal. Turbulence. Please just sit down when the seatbelt signs are on. Don't make us run after you. Moving around during meal service. There's nothing more annoying to a flight attendant to have a passenger move up and down while we have to move our cart back and forth during our meal service. So if you want to use the lavatory or want to just take a walk in the park, just do it either before or after. Don't get too drunk. We really want you to have a good time. However, when you get way too drunk and start throwing up on yourself or on other passengers or on the cabin crew, yeah, I've been there. Wasn't really nice. It really ruins it for everyone around you. Please understand that alcohol works differently at higher altitudes, so don't push your limits. Don't steal stuff. Please don't steal our pillows and blankets. Just don't do it. We aren't babysitters. As much as we flight attendants love kids, please take care of your own child. Don't let them go running around the entire aircraft. They might actually end up hurting themselves. I actually once had a random kid come up to me and just bite me on my leg and run off. Please dispose your trash in the right place. I once had a passenger dispose a soiled diaper in the seat pocket. So there's hell and then there's a place below that. That's where these guys belong. medical emergencies. If you ever see a flight attendant handling a medical emergency, please give us a space. Don't come and stand there, or even worse, start taking videos. I once was in the middle of attending a miscarriage and I had a passenger come up to me and ask me for chai. Menu cards. Please read the menu card. Airlines actually spend a huge amount of money to print out these menu cards, so it's pretty annoying when we ask you what your meal choice is and you have absolutely no idea what we're talking about. Presents. Okay, this one is the most important one of all and will take you right on the top of the list of being the best and most favorite passenger for every flight attendant. If you ever come on board and you get any kind of sweets or chocolates for us from the duty free, you automatically become the most favorite passenger of every flight attendant. We will literally get you anything and everything you want. You want an extra meal? We got you. You want another drink? We got you. You want an amenity kit from the first class? We got you. You want a firstborn child for ritualistic sacrifices? We got you. Just come into the galley at any time you feel that we aren't being too busy and just simply hand it to us and let us know the reason why you're giving it to us is because you acknowledge how hard we work. Generally, when we flight attendants travel as passengers, we do have a tradition of actually getting some kind of sweets or a gift for the crew that are operating that flight. Well, that was it for today, guys. I hope you did like the video. Do go ahead and share this with all of your flight attendant buddies. Leave a comment below and let me know if there's anything else that you could add to or relate to. This video was inspired by Jeannie Weenie. If you don't already know who Jeannie Weenie is, she's the most hilarious flight attendant ever. I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description below. So till then, thank you so much guys for watching this and peace out.